what I'm looking for. You have to tell me where you find that tool in a book. What does that tool do for you? Okay? So what am I looking for? You can tell me with a quiet raised hand. Mariah, what am I looking for? Where do I find it? What do I use it for? How does it help me? Are you ready? Quiet drum roll, please. All right. This table's the glossary. Okay? You guys are captioned. North America's caption. Europe, you are photograph or picture.
What's that?
Well, you can use your toolbox today and help you find out. Asia, you are labels or headings. We call them headings. We talked about that yesterday. And this one doesn't show the full thing, but Africa, you are table of contents. I'm going to give you about a minute. You're telling me where you find it and how does it help you. Ready? You may begin. Where do I find it? Talk to your table. How do you know it's beginning?
It's beginning and I want to do it. That's not fair. No, you got the top one. We both read it. Glossary is at the end of the book and you know what it tells you what word it is. Yeah, she would.